Okay guys, so I'm not going to show my face because I'm at work and I look horrible and I'm in my home/work clothes. But I just found a way to take these AirPods out of this case. The case is cute, but I like changing my case a lot. And these things were stuck, okay? I'm talking about stuck like Chuck, like stuck. I got them out finally. But I put them back in just to show you guys what I did. So I hope y'all appreciate this because I put them back in the case just to get them stuck again. These things were, I could not get these things out. Everybody say like use a pen or whatever. It didn't work. So what I found out is that I had needed to get the sides away from the AirPod like as best as possible. So what you do is take 2 butter knives. You open it up, you take the top off. That's easy. Open it up, you slide the butter knife in the front of the silicone case. These silicone ones are a hot mess. And then slide a knife in the back of the case. So you're trying to get as much distance away from the case and the AirPods as possible. So I literally slid 2 butter knives in the sides. And then what I did was, I did use the pin, but the other side, the flat side, because you don't want to use this part to damage the charging port on the inside. So once these are slid in, as far down as you can go, and kids, don't try this at home, be careful. But I'm just going to hold it like this, but then I'm going to put the pin, and while this is pushing against my body, I can push the case out. Okay. That's how I get my AirPods out of the case. This is the only thing that works. So if y'all are having problems getting your AirPods out of the silicone case, definitely try this method. I guarantee you it will work. Thanks.